Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, guys. Let's continue our lesson. Okay, we'll continue like before, like this. I will try to teach all of you how to create this. You can use our step before to create this curve and this curve and this object and others. Use shape tool. Yeah, you can control. Okay, I will repair a bit. Yeah, okay, we have similar line. You have perfect curve. I think okay, you can create a circle, this circle, and this circle. Now I will teach all of you how to create saving for modify this object. We can still use 50. Okay, maybe I will check first. What's 20 centimeters? Okay, I will explain all of you. If I want to move down this object, it will be moved 50 centimeters. Okay, now we can change to 30 maybe, yeah, because this head is 20. Okay, now I will try to select all and I will move down. Okay, yeah, down like this. Yeah, okay, see. Okay, now I will modify this object. Now we can check shaping and shaping. Yeah, okay. Now I want to take this object, yeah, between this oval and circle. I choose intercept. I choose intercept, shaping intercept, and check source object and target object. Now we can choose this object first. Yeah, you must choose the line. If here is wrong, yeah, if here is wrong, you must choose the line. Okay, it's a source object, and then you can choose the target object, press intersect with, yeah, intersect with, choose the object like this, tick. Okay, it's the result. If you want to move, okay, this the result. Yeah, it's a result. Okay, now I want to move right like this. Oh, sorry, too much. Okay, here, yeah. Okay, if you want to see, I want to change to 10 centimeters. Okay, and you will see the result with tick. Yeah, okay, it's the result. Now I want to trim trim, yeah, trim this, yeah, trim, use this object and the circle, trim, source object, target object, you can choose the source, trim target with this. Okay, that's the result. See? Okay, now I want to trim again. Use this. Look at this. Yeah, is the source target. Trim with this. Okay, that's your result. 1, 2. See? Okay, but now I want to use this or this. Yeah, you can choose this. Use intercept. Yeah, intercept, use this. This is the result. You can move there. Okay, the result is we can delete this object, we can make a group. Yeah, don't remember you use 10 centimeter node offset. Okay, we'll try. Move left, yeah, left. Okay, move right. I will delete first, okay, we'll move here, straight, delete, clear. Okay, this the you can coloring the object. Okay, coloring the object, choose maybe if okay, I think this green, yeah. After that we can take no outline, script. After that we can use your text tool to type the text, and next I will explain how to create this. Use fit tag to pad facility on CorelDRAW. Okay, now we can group. Yeah, okay, 1, 2, 3, wait, yeah. Okay, if you want to make a question, you can take your question on the comment on my channel. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.